The Global Travel Mate, my goal is to show you my Bangkok through my eyes, which means that I will show you the very local areas, the local food, but I also think I should show you this. Good morning! About 6 months ago, I made a video about the day in the life of the Global Travel Mate, or Sukhumvit Homes, and today I decided I will make a second part, and the reason is because I'm here in Ekkamai and I'm gonna film a really nice house in a housing compound, and this is my actual job. I noticed that a lot of people became subscribers in the last half year, and I think a lot of people have no idea what I do and what the reason is that I'm here in Bangkok, so I'm answering that today. I am Global Travel Mate, showing you Bangkok through my lens, but I'm also Sukhumvit Homes, which is the guy who makes the real estate. I'm starting here in Ekkamai in front of this nice temple, so let's go. So I'm on my way to Soi 67, where there is a very nice housing compound, and I'm gonna go and film a house in there. So I'm here in front of the Gateway Mall. So basically, when I'm doing my job, I always find time to show you guys around. But make no mistake, my actual job is the real estate here. And without the real estate, there wouldn't be a Global Travel Mate either. Okay, here we go. Whoop. Nice timing with all the buses, right? Okay, so we're going to Sukhumvit Soi 67, and it's actually nice to see how busy it is here. So you can see the contrast of the housing projects that you have here in Bangkok. So you can just go off the big road and then you're in a very quiet area. And you will know what I mean in a couple of minutes. So yeah, here we are between Ekkamai and Phra Khanong. Yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day. We're turning left here in 67. It's a beautiful sunny day in Bangkok, and this is also the reason why I'm gonna film this house now. We've had a lot of rain, which doesn't make for nice videos, so I'm always waiting for the perfect time. So as you can see, this is already a nice and quiet street. Yeah, so basically what I do, I always use my bicycle to go and visit the properties that I film. And why I use a bicycle is just because it's very convenient and it's easy to get through traffic. So here we are getting to the housing compound. I have to register myself at the office. And we have the owner of the house here, so we have the contact, and the office has the key, so I just need to collect the key, and then I will show you around the compound a little bit. See, this already looks a little bit different from the main road, right? Okay, so I'm a visitor. Sorry ครับใบนิติบุคคลนะครับมาดูห้องขอบคุณมากครับ So this is the office, and here we have my parking space. So now you have already a bit of an idea how this whole compound looks like. So the office is over there, so I just need to go and collect the key. But let me show you around a little bit. Yeah, and this is literally, yeah, what was it? 30 seconds drive from the main road. Okay, let me go to the main office. So I just got the key. So let me show you a little bit around in the compound here. So this is located in Sukhumvit Soi 67, which is right between Ekkamai and Phra Khanong. And in this compound you will find all individual houses. Yeah, and it's quite unique. As you saw how I drove here, it's really very close to the main Sukhumvit area. But if you look how the compound is, it's nice and quiet, all individual houses. These are the perfect spaces for expat families that come to Bangkok. If you want to live in the city but you still want to have a feeling that you have a house, then this might be the perfect space for you. So a little bit later I'm going to film one of these houses, and I will show you there inside as well, just to have an idea. Yeah, so the Global Travel Mate, my goal is to show you my Bangkok through my eyes, which means that I will show you the very local areas, the local food, but I also think I should show you this because it's all part of Thailand. I always like it how people say this is the real Thailand. In my opinion, everything between Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia and Malaysia is the real Thailand. So this is real. Yeah, I just love to share this. So as you can see, they all have sois, like little side streets. So this is street number 8, to give an example. So if you live here, you live on the soi inside of the compound. There, the high rises that you see, that's Phra Khanong, and that's where you have the W district. So if you live here, there is a tuk-tuk from the compound that can bring you to the Ekkamai BTS station and the Phra Khanong BTS station. So if you live here, you are just a few minutes away from the public transport. But most people that live here, of course, have their own transport. It's not far from the highways. Okay, so let me go to the house that I wanted to film today, and I will show you a little bit on how it looks inside. So see you guys at the house. Here we are in front of the house that I'm gonna film today. As you can see, a nice and quiet street. Let me show you the inside of the house. Rule number one, take off the shoes. Yeah, so I already prepared the house and I already made the movie that I needed to make for Sukhumvit Homes. I'm always very impressed by the places that I see. So this house would rent for 180,000 Thai baht per month. The only drawback is that there is no swimming pool here. There is a swimming pool in the beginning of the compound that I will show you a little bit later. If you are interested in a home like this, then let us know. With Sukhumvit Homes, we are mainly focused on high-end rentals for families, and this is just because our business evolved in that way. So if you are coming to Bangkok and you are coming with a family and looking for a nice place to stay, so just let me know what you would be interested in, and you can always contact us at info@sukhumvithomes.com. So basically, when I film these kind of houses, when I'm on the way, I always try to make the videos for Global Travel Made. So in one day I always try to combine a lot. So see you at the pool. At the entrance of the compound you have this management office where you have a gym and a swimming pool like this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this update. I just wanted to share a different lifestyle probably than what you would expect of Bangkok. And as you know, I am showing you Bangkok through my eyes, which means I will show you everything. I will show you the local areas, but I can also show you this kind of luxury estates. I think it's interesting, and of course this is very much connected with my work, but I don't see this as a promotion for my work. It's just I think this is just interesting to see. I mean, I like it myself, you know. I don't have a home like this. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.